Want an easy way to wire your canvas and still get a clean professional result? Stay with me because today I'll show you a simple way to do it without using a drill. Just a few simple tools. Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Fifi, an abstract painter, and here I share my painting process and the way I think through color and layers. Today I'm getting one of my paintings ready for an exhibition, and I thought I'd show you exactly how I wire my paintings professionally for hanging. I'm actually preparing this painting for an upcoming exhibition at the Pacific Art League called Memory Lane. So while I get it gallery ready, I thought that this would be a perfect opportunity to show you my simple method to wire my paintings step by step. The exhibition will run from September 4th through September 22nd here in the Bay Area. So if you are nearby, please come by and enjoy the exhibition. I'll be there and I hope to see you there too. Before I start wiring the painting, let me tell you a little bit about it. This piece is called Fragrance Hues. I used acrylic and oil paint. What I really love about this painting is the contrast between vivid colors and quieter areas. I have these bright pinks and fiery orange meeting with fresh greens and this nice blue with layers, splashes, and marks moving throughout the painting. To me, the colors almost feel like they are floating through light and air. And this is actually where the title Fragrance Hues came from. There's also a personal memory behind this painting. It reminds me of my little great grandnephew and great grandniece. Unfortunately, they live far away, and whenever I come home after visiting them, I can still remember their laughter, their little hugs, even the gentle scent of their hair. The painting made me think about how memories aren't always just pictures in our minds. Sometimes we remember people through a feeling, a sound, a scent, or even a color. That's really what this painting became for me. A memory of those little moments that stay with me even when someone I love is far away. And now Fragrance Hues is getting ready to leave my studio for the exhibition. I hope it finds a new home and also carries happy, warm feelings to its new owner. So let's turn it over and get it ready to hang. I'll be working with the canvas face down all the time. So if you want to do that, make sure you put something soft underneath to protect it from damage or scratch. Here I'll be using this used towel. This is all the tools and materials I'll be using I'll also have everything listed in the description below, along with links if you want to check them out. I'm not going to use a drill for this. This is an easy way to wire your canvas, but still gives you a professional result. I'll be using a ruler, push pin. I'll show you what to do with it later. Eye screws. Of course, you can use other types of hanging hardware too, like D-rings or offset clips. For small or medium-sized canvases, eye screws work really well. For a larger canvas, you may want to use something stronger. These are rubber bumpers. These help keep the artwork from sliding back and forth once it's hanging on the wall. They are optional, but I can see the benefit of using them. Of course, canvas picture hanging wire. My canvas is medium-sized, so the wire I'm using looks pretty thin, but it's sturdy enough for this size. Also keep in mind that gallery-wrapped canvases are usually heavier than regular studio canvases. So make sure you choose a wire that can safely support the weight of your painting. This is a plier and also a cutter. If you don't have a cutter, you can use scissors to cut the wire. Okay, and now we're ready to start. A common recommendation is to place the hanging hardware about 1/4 to 1/3 of the way down from the top of the canvas. I personally prefer to stay closer to 1/4. This helps keep the painting closer to the wall, especially when you're using wire or cord to hang it. Since this painting is 16 inches high, 1/4 of 16 is 4 inches. So I'm going to place the eye screws 4 inches down from the top on both sides. Measuring 4 inches and making my mark on the inside of the stretcher bar using push pin, right in the center of the bar, not too close to either edge. I use a push pin first to make a smaller groove. This gives the eye screw a place to start and makes it easier to screw in. Now I'll insert the eye screw into the little hole I made. Start turning it by hand. It doesn't need a drill. It's an easy way to do it, but still looks professional. I'm done with this side. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Make sure both eye screws are at the same height. It's getting harder to turn the screw by hand, so I'm using my scissors for a little extra leverage to tighten the eye screw. Of course, you can use a screwdriver the same way. Now the eye screws are installed. It's time to measure the wire. To get a good length for the wire, I take the width of the canvas and add a few extra inches. I'll add about 4 extra inches on each side. This canvas is 20 inches wide, so I'll add 8 inches total, which gives me 28 inches of wire. You can cut the wire with scissors or a wire cutter. Now how to thread the wire. Thread the wire through the eye screw from the bottom up. Leave about 4 inches of extra wire at the end. Now bring the short end underneath the long wire and then pass it through the eye screw again, this time from the top down. This creates a loop. Now take the short end, pass it through that loop, and pull it to tighten everything around the eye screw. You can use the plier to pull the wire while tightening it. Once it's nice and tight, I wrap the remaining short end around the main wire a few times to keep it neat and secure. Now I'll go to the other side and do the same thing. One important thing to consider when you are attaching the wire is how tight you want it. Keep in mind that when the painting is hanging, the weight of the painting will create tension and pull the wire upward. So before you secure the second end, make sure that the wire isn't too loose, like this. I pull it a little tighter, not too tight, just enough so the wire still has a little movement. You see how? I'll repeat the same thing on the other side. And finally, I'll add these small silicone bumpers to the back of the painting. I place one at each corner directly on the wooden stretcher bar, not on the canvas itself. They help protect the wall and keep the painting from sliding or moving once it's hanging. And that's it. The painting is wired, the bumpers are in place, and it's ready to hang. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.